which is quiz game using Python. So this is our first project in this Python tutorials for kids playlist. If you have not watched my previous videos, go and watch it. All the topics that are coming in this video are covered in previous video. So without wasting time, let's start. So I'll quickly open my Python IDE to write the code, and I'll create a new file, and I'll keep both of them aside. So I'll add a simple print statement, for example, welcome, and I'll save the document as v10 quiz game. And if I run the module, I get welcome. So I got welcome here. Welcome. I got welcome here. And let us print. Please enter your name. So let us take name from the user. Please enter your name. So to take name, I have to use input, and I can write my name. So to use this name, I have to put this inside a variable. So I'll make this variable as person. Person is equal to input. Please enter your name for better experience. Better experience. And if I run the module, I can write my name here. So what we have to print our name. So to print our name, you have to use print statement, print hey plus person, that is our name, plus welcome. And Niranjan, hey Niranjan, welcome. So now we have print our name. So the next step is to ask the person, are you ready to play or not? So to ask the person, I'll quickly create a print statement, or else you can use input function here too. So for now I'm using print statement, print, are you ready to play? So we are asking the user, are you ready to play or not? And let us take input from the user. So ready is equal to input, and if the ready is equal to yes, that is okay, then you have to ask the question 1. So let us add some simple question. So first I'll add input. What is the color of an apple? And now if I run the module, I can type my name. Yes, we can. The Python asks us question. So if now I will type my name, and if I type no or any other text, I can't play. So next we have to check the answer is correct or not. So the color of an apple is red if question 1 equals to red, that is color of an apple, score plus equals to 1. So we have not added any score variable, so let us quickly create a variable called score equals to 0. So we are adding score equals to 0. Then questions equals to 5. So this is the number of questions in total. So I'm going to ask 5 questions here, and we have to print person plus. So I should do this outside the variable, person plus your answer is correct. And I'll add some emojis. So I found that in Python we cannot add any emojis, so I'll go to Google, and now I will use windows and question mark, and I'll use two emojis here. So I'll copy the emojis and paste it here. So now there are emojis here. Else print. So if you have not watched my previous video, go and watch it. So in previous video we learned about if-else statements, that is we are using now. Percent plus your answer is incorrect. Right. And let us add some more emojis like crying emoji. So this emoji looks perfect. I'll copy this emoji and paste it 2 times, and now it's perfect. So now if I run the module, I can type my name, Niranjan. Yes, red. Niranjan, your answer is correct. So if I print incorrect answer, for example blue, your answer is incorrect. So our first question is ready. So I am adding this inside if statements because this code should only be visible if the user is ready to play, or else we can print okay, you can leave the game. So I'll quickly copy the code and paste it here and change this to question 2. Input how many letters are there in alphabets. If question 2 equals to 26, so I'm giving the answer in integer. So to convert input to integer, we have to use int function, as I said in input function video. Your answer is correct, else your answer is wrong, incorrect. And I'll add more questions. Question 3 equals to which planet is known as red planet. If question 3 equals to Mars, score +1 and your answer is correct, else your answer is incorrect. So now I'll run the module. I type my name Niranjan. Yes, red 26 Mars. Your answer is correct. So let us add a simple note here. Print note, give your answer in integer only. And if I run the module, red, we get how many give your answer in integer only. So 26 Mars. And I'll add another question here. So as there are 5 questions, I kept 5 questions here. So I'm going to add 2 more questions. Then the total number of questions will become 5. So fourth question, let us ask in which direction does the sun rise? And question 4 is equal to east, score +1, else print your answer is incorrect. And if you run the module, Niranjan, yes, red 26 Mars, your answer is correct. So our last and final question, which is a funny question, question 5, our last and final question. Input, have you subscribed? Go with Niranjan. Then question 5 equals to yes, score +1, else score minus equals to 1. So if you don't want to lose your marks, go and subscribe, go to Niranjan now. Then we have to print our questions has finished. Very good try. Then print, let us print the details of this. print your details and a new line, your name colon plus str%. So we are converting this to string plus new line slash n your score plus, so we have to convert the values to string before using it. So as score is an integer, we have to convert this to string str score. Then that's it. Now if we run the module, Niranjan, red 26, Mars, east, yes, very good, try Niranjan, your details, your name Niranjan, your score 5. So let us change this value to very good, else go and subscribe now. So now let us show the final percentage and mark. So to tools like I have to print, so I'm adding a new line slash n you got plus str score out of plus str questions. So we are giving the final result here. You got, if for example I got 5, then this statement says you got 5 out of 5. Then final marks equals to score slash questions multiply by, so this statement helps us to give the percentage of our marks. Then print your percentage is plus str final mark. So this statement helps us to give the percentage of the mark, percentage. So now our code is complete. Now if we run the module, Niranjan, yes, red 26, Mars, east, yes. Your details, very good Niranjan, very good try Niranjan. Your details, your name Niranjan, your score 5, you got 5 out of 5, your percentage is 100.0%. So we have to also add else statement, or else if we type our name and print no, we get final results, we get this one. So else print okay, print come again soon, then print closing. Now if we run the module, so we have to put this in perfect way. Yeah, now this code will work fine, I think, yes. So Niranjan, no, we get closing. Else if we print Niranjan, yes, red 26, Mars, east, yes, very good. So there is some problem. Okay, now this code will work properly. So what I did is I added this statement inside the else statement, so this was not showing the percentage. So now if I run the module, Niranjan, yes, red 26, Mars, east, yes, very good try Niranjan. Your details, your name, your score, you got 5 out of 5, your percentage is 100%. So if I make one question wrong, yes, something 26 Mars East, yes, you got 4 out of 5. So I made mistake in this and I got 80%.
So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share it to friends and don't forget to subscribe code Niranjan too. So if you have not visited Python tutorials for kids playlist, go and visit it. I'll provide the playlist link in the description box. So I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye.